Sometimes we have a lot to glean from these beautiful birds. This Asian koel had been trying to pluck the neem fruit for us, but it couldn't. Still, it kept on trying. But at one stage, it fell down. Yes, a gross failure. But it didn't stop her. She tried again, and this time she did it. So, if you're confronting continuous failures and if you're planning to stop trying, just wait, take your time, and give it a last shot. Who knows, perhaps that would be your success shot. Remember, your success fruit is waiting there to be harvested. So go, pluck it, savor it, and enjoy the life. Now, that's what the beautiful koel says. Pay heed to her advice. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.